Yes, children, I told you to do some questions. So, the questions which I had told you, they were question number 3, C and D part, because the other we had done earlier when we were doing the explanation. Question number 3, C part is discuss the effects of deforestation in the following. What will be the effect of deforestation in villages? So you will not have to describe very long, just write what deforestation. Due to deforestation in the villages, there will be lot of soil erosion. Due to soil erosion, the topsoil which is good for cultivation will become weak, and the cultivation and the soil will become less fertile, which will reduce the agriculture production. Then due to deforestation in the villages, the animals will not be able to get the fodder or the food, and which will affect the food quality and which will affect the amount of food available for the animals. This much you can write for villages. Then the next is, what is the effect of deforestation on the cities in the urban areas? So in urban areas, we have to mention that due to deforestation, the quality of air will decrease because the amount pollution will increase, and it will reduce the quality of air. The amount of carbon dioxide in the air will increase, which can increase the temperature of the air, and it causes global warming. For the urban areas, the second point you can write, what is the effect of deforestation in the cities? So it will make the topsoil of the urban areas hard, which will make the soil not absorbent. So whenever it will rain or when the water will collect, it will not be able to go inside. Therefore, the underground water level of the urban areas will fall down, which will cause shortage of water in the urban areas. So these are the two main effects of deforestation in urban areas. Next question you have to write is question number 5, A, B and C parts. Answer in brief, why should we conserve biodiversity? Why we should conserve biodiversity? Because if we conserve biodiversity definition also you had written, there also you wrote that what is biodiversity. So we should conserve biodiversity to maintain ecological balance. Point wise you can write, to maintain ecological balance, to maintain a proper habitat for all the animals, to provide good living conditions for the animals, and for maintaining the good quality of food chain. That means the food chain balance will be maintained. Question number 5, B part. Answer, protected forests are also not completely safe for wild animals. Why? That means the forests which have been kept protected for animals, they are also not safe for wild animals. Why are protected forests not safe? This is because of less awareness of the laws. People keep on making entry into the protected forest, and basically the people go into the forest for cutting down of branches. People who are living, they cut down the branches and they cut down the trees, which indirectly reduces the life of the trees and they die. So protected forests are not completely safe because people do not know that if they enter into the forest and affect the forest, then the life of the trees also decreases. So it is not safe, and the forests are also not safe for wild animals, because if we destroy the forest, then the habitat of the wild animals will be affected. So this is how you link the forest with the animals. Next question number 5, C part. Some tribals depend on the jungle. So tribals are the people who live in the forest. So these people, how are they dependent on the jungle? You will write that the tribals depend on the forest for food. They depend on the forest for the medicinal value. The tribals depend on the jungle for the food which is supplied by the trees as well as by smaller animals. So if the forests are affected, then the life of the tribals will also be affected. Now most of the tribals who live in the jungle, they do not destroy the forest, they are actually protecting the animals. So they depend on the forest basically for food, for the fodder for the animals, because they use the branches and leaves of the tree for giving food to the animals. This is how they are dependent on the forest for their life.